Hey guys, this tutorial will show you how to add Stripe to Appsero for selling your plugins. Firstly, make sure you have an account with Stripe. You also want to make sure you have the Easy Digital Downloads plugin installed. Next, click on General Settings for Easy Digital Downloads. Now click on Stripe under the Payment Gateway tab. Click on Connect with Stripe and log in using your credentials. You also need to make sure you set up the webhook. In addition, you need to fill out the rest of the information. We have a separate post on how this is done, so please be sure to check it out. The link will be given in the description box below. In the last step, you simply add Easy Digital Downloads with Appsero. We have a full tutorial on how this is done, so be sure to check it out. The link of this video is given in the description box below. And that is how you can add Stripe to WordPress for selling your plugins. Check out Appsero for more information on analytics, licensing, and deployment of your WordPress plugins. Also, for any help, email us at support@appsero.com.